My father, he had a vision. Since my daddy didn't have any sons, I said, well, I would love to help you. We both love people. He had such a great time trying to help other people. I didn't really realize it till he was a lot older, that was really his main desire, is that he just liked to grow the plants and talk to all the people and help people.
Brownswood Nursery is more than a nursery. It is a full-service landscape design and build firm that actually grows the plants that we're designing and installing. And we have a full-service garden center, so you can come and buy a couple trays of annuals. You can come and get 15-foot live oaks. We can install all of your landscape for you. We also have the capacity for full-service design.
So we're a full-service landscape nursery. Basically, you come here and we will help you. You could be from out of this area and not know anything about plants. We can come here, we'll help you make those decisions on those plants. We'll help you pick the right place for the sun plants, shade plants, and even help you design the whole yard.
I opted for a 3D color design. That was beneficial because you're able to see plantings, how everything's going to look color-wise, and everything's spaced. Working with them is like working with a friend because everybody treats you like you're special, not like you're a one-time customer.
Brownswood Nursery is about inspiring people to grow.
People love plants. A lot of them don't know it until they get a house and they want to landscape their yard. They come out here and start talking to us, and they learn to love plants.
The number one thing I want our customers to know is that we really care about them and we love them because we're hands-on. We're right here, we're growing the plants ourselves. And we talk to our customers. We find out what they need. And we can see other needs other than just plants.
The plants are amazing. We're passionate about plants. We love plants. But I think one thing that does set us apart is we love people more. And that's important.